Good morning. Today we are going to take design thinking based topic from aerospace propulsion subject. So in that aerospace propulsion subject, that topic we are going to elaborately discuss about design thinking stages. So in that design thinking stages, it can be classified into 5 stages: empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So empathy part, what are the problems it will be find out from the topic, and define part, what are the solutions they will apply for this topic, and ideate, how we are implement the solutions to the problem. And next one is prototype and testing. If the solutions, it will be suitable to this problem or not. So these are all the stages it can be elaborately discussed by the students.
Today I am going to talk about aerospace propulsion system in terms of empathize part. Aerospace propulsion systems are operates at extreme levels of physics. Inside an engine, materials are exposed to high temperature, intense pressure, continuous vibration, and repeated thermal cycles. At the same time, the engine must deliver consistent and predictable thrust over long duration without failure. Propulsion system faces critical.
Hello everyone, today I will briefly explain aerospace propulsion in the context of define stage and design thinking. In define stage, we need to first identify the problem before actually developing solutions. In aerospace propulsion, it is key perspective to be maintained in rockets. Firstly, in defense stage, from a defense stage perspective, the key question is not how powerful the engine is, but what mission it requires. For example, mostly aircraft engines require cost-effective and reliable propulsion systems, while the rocket engines require high thrust over short period of time. As a key way, we need to select missions for different constraints like thermal efficiency, reliability, cost-effective, and mission requirement. So the engineers create solutions based on the constraints and mission requirements. She will say the idea.
Today I am going to talk about the ideal stage for design thinking based on the propulsion. In this stage, we think new idea about engines and the vehicle moving forward. We discuss in the way using less fuel, more efficiency, and this pollution. Many ideas are discussed and best one is selected for the creations. And this stage can help to create a better propulsion system. She will handle the next prototype. In our design thinking process, I am going to explain about prototype and testing. We created a small prototype of the propulsion system. The prototype helps us to understand how propulsion works practically. Then we created to test and check the safety and smooth working. Based on testing, we found a problem like vibration and efficiency. In our testing, we improved how to.
So for non-air-breathing engines, it can be classified as liquid propellant, solid propellant, and hybrid propellant. So in that aerospace propulsion topic elaborately discussed by the students in DT 5 stages: empathy, define, ideate, prototype and testing. So in that mostly that propulsors, it can be utilized for this engine sections only. So thank you.